Good morning, everybody. Mark Finan here in the Home Weather Office on this Monday morning. It is the 11th day of March 2024. This is the morning briefing coming to you from the Home Weather Office. And as I look out the window from the Home Weather Office, still mostly cloudy. A couple of spots of blue here and there after the brief rain showers went through overnight. Yeah, that little line going through during the overnight hours was pretty weak. Didn't drop much rain. Did get 1 to 2 inches of snow in the Sierra. There were chain controls briefly on Interstate 80. So we were expecting two systems. That was the first one. The second one will be coming in tonight and into tomorrow. So I'll show you the timing on that and how much we may see, as well as take a look at the week. On a Monday morning, it's a nice time to take a look at the week ahead and plan out what it is we're going to see. So let's show you what's happening first thing this morning. As you can see, we do have some clouds over the area. One of the disadvantages of having the time change over the weekend that as I record these around 8:30 in the morning, of course, we don't have enough light on the satellite yet to get into full visible mode as you have here in the Rockies. But this is the system that we're looking at coming in for tonight. So what we'll see during the day today is a lot of clouds. We'll probably also see a little bit of sun with light winds. And then this system will come in during the night tonight. This is also going to be relatively weak for California. I don't think it's going to do a lot for us. I'll show you some of the rain totals that we are expecting here in just a second. Well, then let's go ahead and look at that with the HRRR. So this is the 12Z HRRR. And let's go through when it's likely going to start raining. This is around 8 o'clock this evening. By then we have some rain into Butte County and Plumas County. The snow level likely around 5,000 feet. Raining in Lake County, of course, raining in Sonoma County. And again, this is around 8 o'clock this evening. 3Z, if you will. 3Z used to be 7 o'clock, now it's 8 o'clock. Now this is around 10 o'clock tonight. Then we do have some light rain in the valley. Snow in the Sierra, again above 5,000 feet. This should be a little bit more productive than what we saw overnight. Instead of getting 1 to 2 inches, we may be seeing 2 to 4. Maybe 2 to 5, something like that. But enough that during the night tonight, again, this is 10 o'clock tonight, that we'll likely have chain controls, and chain controls will probably be up tomorrow morning as well. As we go through the night, I'll stop it here at 3 o'clock in the morning. We still have some light rain going on the valley. Someone in the comments section asked me, I think it was last week, about what this pinkish color is. I mean, it's pretty clear that the green is rain, the bluish color here is snow. Yeah, the pinkish is that mixed, it's that rain snow mix line, if you will, slush. In other parts of the country, it could be into something like freezing rain or something like that, but certainly not around here. Now this is around 7 o'clock on Tuesday morning. There could be some lingering showers. The roads could still be wet first thing in the morning. But and we'll still have chain controls in the Sierra after getting that bit of snow, and then everything clears out. So Tuesday, the afternoon turns dry, and this is 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And then behind it, everything clears out. So let's go here. Hang on one second. Total precip accumulation off the HRRR gives Sacramento a whopping 0.08, has Chico at 0.11. And into the foothills, maybe as much as a 1/4 of an inch of rain. So that would translate into a couple of inches of snow in the Sierra. I'm going to show you the same thing with the NAM, but I'm rather the GFS. But what I want to point out with the GFS is what will happen beyond this as we go through the rest of the week. So this is a Wednesday around 11 o'clock in the morning. And what you want to pay attention to are these black lines, isobars. And as the isobars get aligned like this, the surface winds go perpendicular to the isobars, more or less. And that means that the tighter that these are together, the more wind you have, the tighter the pressure gradient, and that gives us a north wind down the valley. Not expecting anything howling, but this is a Wednesday night. So Wednesday, let's get into the day on Thursday. This is Thursday around midday. We still have that north-south gradient. So again, not expecting howling winds, but we are expecting winds in the valley, sustained 10 to 15, gusting 20, a little stronger on the west side of the valley. So Colusa County, Yolo County will get more wind than what you'll see in, let's say, Placer County or El Dorado County. And while we're not expecting, damaging winds or anything like that, it's just that annoying north wind that we get both in spring and the fall. Now, in the fall, when we get a case like this, we get some north winds, we're usually worried about fire danger. Not in the spring, of course. In the spring, we're worried more about allergies. Yeah, that north wind just kicks a lot of pollen into the air. So if you are an allergy sufferer, this stretch of Wednesday, Thursday, Friday may not be the greatest because of the north wind that we are expecting. All right, let's take a look at the big picture here. I'm gonna back this up. So we'll look at the 500 millibar chart and go through the next few days. So here's the little system going through now, and then here's the system that goes through tonight. A very weak wave for California. More of it's heading to the north, and behind it we get warm air advection. But what happens is this low drops from the north down to the south, sets up shop in Southern California and Arizona. Behind it, you have ridging, but you just see how the wind arrows are coming down from the north. So it's not going to warm up all that much. It may get up into the 70s by Thursday or Friday, and definitely over the weekend. But it's not until this low kicks out that we start to see the wind diminish. But see, still we have that offshore flow. This is on Friday around midday. And then finally over the weekend, the gradient will relax over on Saturday, a lot less wind. And then on Sunday, that low is finally far enough away that our north winds diminish. And Sunday should be a very nice day. St. Patrick's Day should be sunny, north breezes, temperatures in the low 70s. And then as that high moves in, this is early next week, this is kind of a broad sort of a ridge right in here. That should be a pretty nice day. This is on, let's see, Monday, Tuesday next week. Beyond that, there doesn't really look like anything's coming our way. This little weak wave will probably lower our temperatures a little bit, but over the next 10 days, there really doesn't look as though there's anything coming our way, although this feature probably isn't going to be handled very well by the models, and we're out into fantasy land anyway. So yeah, it just doesn't look like there's anything significant coming our way. Once we get past this little bit of rain that we'll see Monday night, Tuesday morning, enough for chain controls and just enough rain in the valley to make the roads wet for the morning commute first thing on Tuesday morning. So the rest of the week is dry, but a little breezy and warmer. And as I said, beyond that, for probably, well, at least the next week, and maybe as much as 10 days, we may not see any additional rain or snow. Things may change toward the end of the month, but that gets us all the way until, let's say, March 2022 in that range. Don't see any rain once we get past tonight. So that's everything I've got for you on this Monday morning. Let's see, it's Monday, so I will be in the studio today at 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, and 11. And yeah, that's all I've got for you. Make it a great day. I'll talk with you later.